To build credit fast using a credit card, it is essential to understand how credit scores work and the role credit cards play in this process. A credit score is a 3-digit number that represents an individual's creditworthiness, and it is calculated based on payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, credit mix, and new credit inquiries. The first step to building credit with a credit card is to apply for a credit card that is suitable for your credit profile. If you have no credit history, consider applying for a secured credit card, which requires a security deposit that becomes your credit limit. If you have existing credit, look for a card with a low interest rate and no annual fee. Once you have a credit card, make sure to use it responsibly. This means making all payments on time, as payment history accounts for 35% of your credit score. Set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment, and consider setting up payment reminders to stay on track. Another crucial aspect of building credit with a credit card is keeping your credit utilization ratio low. This means keeping your credit card balance below 30% of your credit limit. For example, if you have a credit limit of $1,000, try to keep your balance below $300. This shows lenders that you can manage your debt and are not overextending yourself. In addition to making timely payments and keeping your credit utilization ratio low, it is also important to monitor your credit report regularly. You can request a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit reporting agencies once a year, and review it for any errors or inaccuracies. Dispute any errors you find, as they can negatively impact your credit score. To further build credit, consider keeping old accounts open, as the length of your credit history accounts for 15% of your credit score. Avoid applying for too many credit cards in a short period, as this can lead to a decrease in your credit score. Instead, focus on making regular payments on time and keeping your credit utilization ratio low. By following these steps and using your credit card responsibly, you can build credit fast and establish a strong credit history. Remember to always monitor your credit report, make timely payments, and keep your credit utilization ratio low to achieve a good credit score.